Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to equip multiple hairs on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser on your device. Just go to roblox.com. Make sure to log in your account. And once you log in on your account, now you just need to guys tap on this menu button over here and tap on this avatar. So now to access avatar editor on mobile or iPad, you just need to tap on double A over here and just tap on request desktop website. And once you're here guys, you just need to tap on this head and body and go to here. Now if you want to equip multiple hairs, it's a very simple trick. Just need to hold a new hair that you want to wear also, copy the link address, open a new tab, paste your link over here and just copy this asset ID from the URL. Once you copy, go back to avatar editor and tap on this advanced link over here and tap on this blank asset ID, paste it over here and just tap on save button, save again, and boom, your both hair will be equipped. So this is how you can do. Hope you like it. This is the similar way. In the similar way you can equip multiple accessories as well. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video like this. Till then, bye bye.